Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate a sheet in Google Sheets using a few simple methods. Whether you're organizing data, creating templates, or just want to back up your work, knowing how to quickly copy a sheet can save you tons of time and hassle. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know several different ways to duplicate or copy any sheet, and you'll feel totally comfortable doing it yourself. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, let's look at the quickest way to duplicate a sheet if you just want to copy within the same spreadsheet. Down at the bottom of your Google Sheets window, you'll see a row of tabs. These are the names of each sheet in your workbook. Find the sheet you want to duplicate and hover your mouse pointer over its name. Now just right-click. If you're on a Mac, you can use two fingers on the trackpad or hold down Control and click. A menu will pop up with several options, but what you want is duplicate. Go ahead and click that. Instantly, Google Sheets creates a new sheet right next to the original, automatically adding the word copy to the tab name. It's like photocopying a whole page with all your formulas, data, colors, and formatting intact. This is perfect if you want to tweak something without risking your original work, or if you're working on similar versions of a report or template. If you're ever worried about making edits and accidentally messing up your data, this method gives you peace of mind with just a couple of clicks. Now, maybe you need your sheet copy in a different file. Maybe you're collaborating with someone else or keeping your data organized across multiple spreadsheets. No problem, the process is nearly as simple. Once again, find your Sheets tab at the bottom of the screen, right-click it, and this time choose Copy to. Google Sheets will ask where you want to send it. You can either copy it over to a brand new spreadsheet, which is great if you want a fresh start, or you can send it to an existing spreadsheet, maybe one you already share with a teammate. If you pick New Spreadsheet, Google Sheets will create a totally new file in your Google Drive with your sheet inside and give you a link to open it. If you want to copy to a spreadsheet that already exists, simply select Existing Spreadsheet, and you'll get a prompt to choose which file you want to copy to. Just pick your file, confirm, and in a few moments, your sheet will appear as a new tab in that file. This is a lifesaver when you're managing lots of data across projects. Now, if you ever want to make a copy of the whole file, not just one sheet, but every single sheet, chart, and setting, there's a way to do that too. Look up at the top left of your screen and click File. In the drop-down menu, select Make a Copy. Google Sheets will let you rename this new file and choose where to save it in your drive. After you click OK, it will open up a full copy of your entire spreadsheet, ready for you to edit, reorganize, or share. This is great if you're starting a New Year's set of records or sharing templates with a team. And that's it. As you can see, duplicating or copying sheets in Google Sheets is super easy once you know where to look, and it can really help keep your work organized and safe. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share your own spreadsheet tips, let me know in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more simple, effective tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.